I recently helped a client generate over 2.4 million naira in sales, and one of the things that helped us close this kind of number was our offer. You might have a good product to sell, but if your offer is poor, your ads are not going to convert. That's because people don't just buy your product, they buy the offer behind those products. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 offers that will help you double or triple your sales in the next 30 to 90 days. Let's get into the video. The first kind of offer is free gift when you purchase X. This is the kind of offer when you gift your customer a free gift when they buy a particular product from you. Take for instance, now if I'm selling a sundress, whoever gets a sundress from me gets a free turban. The turban comes for free at no expense as far as you get a sundress. So this is one of the ways you can structure your offer to help you make more sales. Let's look at the next offer. X amount of product. This is when you give a discounted price from the original price. Take for instance, if I'm selling a bag 25,000 naira, I'm going to price the bag at 20,000 naira, giving them a discount of 5,000 naira. Why does this work? People love to save money. People will always appreciate the opportunity to save money. So instead of them paying 25,000 naira for this bag, they'll happily pay 20,000 naira because they are saving 5,000 naira for this purchase. So this works all the time. The next kind of offer is free gift when you spend a particular amount. That is when people buy from you up to a particular amount, they get a free gift. For example, if someone buys almost 30,000 naira worth of product from you, they get a particular gift. If someone buys 50,000 naira worth of product from you, they get a particular gift. The same thing with 100,000 naira. This particular strategy helps you maximize the average order value. So if someone comes to your shop, instead of just buying something of 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira, they can buy up to 30,000 naira because they know buying at 30,000 naira comes with a gift. So it increases the average order value of whatever you are selling to your customers. So you can choose to use this, test it out and see if it works for you. The next kind of offer is free shipping on orders above X amount. This is you giving your customer free shipping if their offer exceeds a particular amount of money that is profitable to you. Take for instance, if you are selling jewelries and someone comes into your jewelry shop or just contacts you to buy jewelry and they end up buying like 3 jewelries totaling over 50,000 naira, you can make this offer. If you buy something above 50,000 naira, I am going to give you free shipping. I'm going to ship it to you for free. This also helps people to buy more than one thing from your shop. So you are indirectly increasing the average order value and you're also getting them to spend more money with you. So free shipping when they buy exceeding a particular amount that is profitable to you. Make sure it is profitable to you. Don't just offer free shipping on things that are not profitable to you or you'll be running at a loss. So make sure it is profitable to you. So the next kind of offer is buy 2, get 1 free. This is very, very common. You need to take into consideration the cost of whatever you are selling. If you are telling someone to buy 2 and get 1 free, make sure the profits you are gaining from those 2 pieces can cover the extra one you are giving out. Make sure you take note of that. You can also try out buy 3, get 1 for free, depending on what you are selling. So make sure you consider the profit to cover the extra one you are giving out for free. It's very, very important. The next kind of offer is the bundle save. This converts a lot because people want to save money. People want to save money, and if they can save money and get more, that is a good deal for them. Take for instance, if I'm selling a supplement and the price of that supplement is 25,000 naira, and they can get 3 bottles of that for 20,000 naira each, saving 15,000 naira. That's a lot. Saving 15,000 naira. That's a good offer. So instead of them buying one at 25,000 naira, then come back and buy one at 25,000 naira, come back again and buy another one at 25,000 naira, they can get 3 at just 60,000 naira, saving over 15,000 naira. So people love bundle offers. One way to increase your sales is to use bundle offers. Bundle offers work a lot. People love to buy in bulk and people love to save money while buying in bulk. So give them the incentive to buy from you in bulk. It works. It works a lot. If you know you are struggling to generate sales from your business using Facebook or Instagram ads, and you desire to double or triple your sales in the next 30 to 90 days, I have an offer for you. Check the first comment and the pinned comment on this post, and also check the description of this video. There is a link for you to hire me for 30 days. We are going to work together and help you set up converting ads for your business. I can't wait to speak with you and see you in the next video.